Hello! Welcome back to my channel Bold and the Beautiful, where we discuss all things hair care. In today's video, we are going to address a common concern that many of you have been struggling with: hair loss and dandruff. You've tried various remedies, but you just can't seem to find relief. Well, today we're here to uncover the reasons why your hair loss and dandruff aren't getting better. Let's dive right in. Reason number 1: inadequate scalp hygiene. It's crucial to keep your scalp clean and healthy to prevent dandruff and hair loss. But are you really taking proper care of your scalp? Make sure to cleanse your scalp regularly using a gentle shampoo and massaging it in circular motions. Neglecting scalp hygiene can lead to a buildup of oil, dead skin cells, and product residue, exacerbating both dandruff and hair loss. Reason number 2: nutritional deficiencies. Your hair and scalp health greatly depend on the nutrients you consume. If you're not getting enough vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids, it can contribute to hair loss and dandruff problems. Consider incorporating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and omega-3 fatty acids to promote a healthy scalp and nourish your hair follicles. Reason number 3: underlying medical conditions. Sometimes persistent hair loss and dandruff could be a sign of an underlying health issue. Conditions such as hormonal imbalances, autoimmune disorders, or scalp infections can contribute to these problems. It's essential to consult a healthcare professional or a dermatologist to rule out any underlying medical conditions that may require specialized treatment. Reason number 4: stress and lifestyle factors. Stress can wreak havoc on your hair and scalp health. It can disrupt the natural hair growth cycle and trigger dandruff flare-ups. Additionally, poor lifestyle choices like smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and lack of sleep can contribute to these issues. It's important to manage stress through relaxation techniques, incorporate a healthy lifestyle, and prioritize self-care to improve your hair and scalp condition. Reason number 5: using the wrong hair care products. Are you using products that are harsh, drying, or unsuitable for your hair and scalp type? Using the wrong shampoo, conditioner, or styling products can worsen dandruff and hair loss. Look for gentle, sulfate-free products formulated specifically for your hair concerns. It's also essential to avoid excessive heat, styling, and tight hairstyles that can further damage your hair and scalp. And there you have it, 5 reasons why your hair loss and dandruff may not be getting better. Remember, taking care of your scalp and overall health, along with using the right products, are crucial steps towards achieving a healthy head of hair. If you've tried everything and are still struggling, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful and take care.